back to the channel. Today I'm just going over a quick product, not sponsored, this wasn't given to me, I bought it. It's a Velocity Stack filter for everybody that is worried about sucking in little tiny particles or debris or water or whatever the case may be. It's from a company called Filterwares. They say best protection against dirt, sand, debris, and water. Polyester fabric, blah, 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 blah. Filters debris 5/100th of an inch. Doesn't reduce airflow or horsepower. So, I mean, I'm going to give it a shot. It looks like a cool product. It's got a little elastic. And it'll work for anything. I have it on a Honda Ruckus, but obviously it'll work on anything that has a Velocity Stack. Now this one is the 3-inch model, but my stack is like 2 1/4 inches. It's got a little, what do you call it? Like elastic. It's got a little elastic. So let me give you guys a quick view of what it looks like on the bike. I mean, that's pretty much it. Just elastics on. As you can see, it's on there pretty good. It's a nifty little thing. And it repels water. So I'll put that back on in a minute. So yeah, with that being said, I mean, you guys might want to check it out. It's pretty cool. Let me go over here in the light so you can get a good look at it. I don't know if you guys, how good you can see that. But it's really, really, really fine. Look, it'll keep out real fine dust. It looks like a pretty nice product. So, if in any case, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks to all my subscribers. And again, the product name is Filterwares. I bought mine from eBay, but they have them on Amazon too. I got it on eBay, not much cheaper. Check them out. Till the next video, peace.